One celebrity appearance exploded during the Super Bowl halftime show.
And now, a true musical genius.
More than 1 million fans signed a petition to include the SpongeBob SquarePants rendition of Sweet Victory into the show this year.
And it's sweet, sweet, sweet victory. Yeah.
And the performers obliged. It happened after headlining band Maroon 5 sang some of its classic songs.
Until you say that my behavior's unacceptable.
Then they let the Bikini Bottom super band take it away.
And now, a true musical genius who needs no introduction.
It's lit.
The SpongeBob clip introduced rapper Travis Scott, who seemed to arrive on stage in a fireball.
Yeah, jump out, boy.
The cameo was a tribute to the cartoon's creator, Steven Hillenburg, who died in November after a battle with ALS. Mercedes-Benz Stadium in Atlanta had been hinting at a SpongeBob appearance on Twitter since last year. While some fans would have liked to see less Maroon 5, more SpongeBob, as one person put it, it was still a generous salute to a man who touched so many lives during one of the most watched television events of the year. For InsideEdition.com, I'm Mara Montalbano.